Steve Wells, JJ Roofing Supplies. I told you something was coming. It's the first of the month, pinch of the punch, first of the month, no returns. It's a fantastic Velux Rewards scheme. Starts today, £35 for every polyurethane top hung or centre pivot Velux roof window. You can claim your vouchers for use online or in the high street, direct from Velux by joining the Velux Rewards scheme. Follow the link, we told you before, but log in, sign up, upload them reward invoices to get free money. £35 for every polyurethane pitched roof window, centre pivot or top hung. We have got loads of stock. We've had 2 Arctic loads offloaded today. So if you want your Velux, you come to JJ Roofing Supplies, because if it's on the roof, we stock it.